In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your subscription for Grammarly. If you've decided that Grammarly no longer fits your needs, or perhaps you're exploring other options, canceling your subscription is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes. Let's walk through the steps together so you can ensure a smooth transition. First, you'll need to sign in to your Grammarly account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy and head over to the Grammarly website. Once you've successfully signed in, direct your attention to your account settings. This is where you'll find all subscription-related information. Within your account settings, locate the subscription page. This page is essentially your dashboard for managing everything related to your billing and subscription status. Once you're there, scroll down to the bottom of the page. You will see an option that says Cancel Subscription. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll encounter a confirmation window. This is Grammarly's way of ensuring you're certain about your decision before moving forward. In this window, click on Continue to signify that you want to proceed with the cancellation. Now, Grammarly gives you an opportunity to provide feedback by selecting a reason for your cancellation. This step is completely optional, but can be helpful for the platform to understand why users like yourself might choose to end their subscription. If you decide to leave feedback, select an appropriate reason. Once you've done that, or if you choose to skip it, click on Cancel Subscription once more to finalize the process. Now that you've successfully canceled your subscription, it's important to know what happens next. Your subscription will remain active until the end of your current billing cycle. This means you'll continue to have access to all the premium features you've come to appreciate until that period concludes. Once the billing term ends, your account will automatically switch to Grammarly's free version. It's also worth noting that canceling your subscription will not delete any of your documents or your account. All your saved work and data will remain intact, so you can rest easy, knowing your content is safe and sound. And there you have it, a simple, step-by-step guide to canceling your Grammarly subscription. Whether you're switching to a different service or taking a break, you've now got the knowledge needed to make the process as smooth as possible. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any more questions about this process or anything else related to Grammarly, feel free to reach out.